So for the bookmarks page, I'm going to do a little bit of cheating, and I'm going to go into the explore page, and right on the top, I'm going to go ahead and copy all these imports and then paste them here, because we need most of them. So we need the useState, useRouter, useConvex API. We need the kind browser client. We don't need the input, but we need an icon here called bookmark. So bookmark icon, and then we also need the loading spinner. And then once we have that, I'm going to cheat again, and I'm going to copy these state values. So copy, and I'm going to copy even convex and the router here, and even the use kind browser client. And once I do that, let's just copy this. We're going to say export default function bookmarks page, and then paste that in. Now we're going to need the user. We don't need the posts, so we're going to rename this into bookmarked posts, and then set bookmarked posts. Into useState is going to be an empty array by default, and then loading. So we don't need the search query, but now we need convex, we need the router, and then we need this from use kind browser client. And something else that is similar is the use effect. So for the use effect, we're going to have a callback function here, and the dependency arrays, or the dependency array is going to be dependent on the convex, and then the router, the kind user, the is authenticated, and the is loading, which obviously you can tell that is similar to this. And that therefore means that we can copy this entire function, which is inside the use effect. We can copy it and then paste it inside here, because what we're doing is we are checking if is loading is true, and then we return. And then if the user is not authenticated, redirect it back to the home page, and then we're loading the user data from convex. And then right here we can now say set user into the user data, but we are not loading the public posts, so we can remove this. Instead, what we're doing is getting the bookmarks. So const bookmarks is equal to await convex.query, and then pass in api.posts.get bookmarked posts, which is a function that we don't yet have. And then this is going to be taking the user ID as user data ._id, and then we're going to say set bookmarked posts into the bookmarks that we get back, bookmarks. And then for the catch here, we have the console error. The toast is now going to say an error occurred when loading your bookmarks, and then set loading back into false, and then we are calling our function right there. So once we do that, we need to create another function that is called const handle post update. And once again, if you're keen, you can tell that this is a similar function that we created. Should be in the explore page, which is basically this. So you can go ahead and copy it if you want, or you can type it out. So copy and paste. So handle post update is an asynchronous function, and for this one we're going to do something a bit different. So we're going to say if the user is true, then we're going to say const bookmarks is equal to await convex. What is wrong? This should be a curly bracket. So await convex dot query, and then pass in api.posts.get bookmarked posts, and then we're going to pass in the user ID as user._id, and then we're going to say set bookmarked posts into the bookmarks that we're going to get back. Now once we do that, we're going to check for is loading. So if is loading or loading, and then we're going to return the main layout component, main layout. The user is going to be equal to the user, and then we're going to return the loading spinner component which we created. Now for our actual return, we're going to go ahead and return the main layout once again. So main layout, pass in the user as a prop, and then inside here, because typing out these class names is becoming annoying, we want to go ahead and copy this. I don't know, let's copy it from the notifications because it's a bit better from the notifications. So for the notifications, let's copy this div up to here, copy it out, and then we are going to paste it here, and then remember to close out that first div. And then now this is now not going to say notifications, it's going to say bookmarks. And then below the H1, we're going to have a paragraph with a class name of text-sm, text gray-500, and then on dark mode, text gray-400. And then the text is going to say at, and then open up your curly brackets, user question mark dot username, so that it shows the bookmarks for a certain username. And then we're going to go below this div. So below these two divs, we want to check for the bookmarked posts dot length. If it is equal to 0, triple equal to 0. If that is true, then we're going to be returning something. Otherwise, we're going to return a post list component. And the post list, it takes in the posts prop, which is going to be equal to the bookmarked posts. And then the current user is going to be equal to the user. And then on post update is going to be equal to the handle post update. Now, just in case you forgot, let me remind you that if you go into the post list component, then you can see that we are destructuring all these values, which we are passing in as props. And then we are passing the props back into the postcard component so that it can show the correct thing in the postcard, because the postcard is the one that shows the actual tweet. So that is what is happening here. And then let's have our icon right here. Once again, it's going to be easier if we just copy it from the notifications page. So basically this div, copy, and then we're going to paste it inside here. But now we're going to be rendering the bookmark icon. So bookmark icon. And then this is going to be an H3. And I don't know why I set it in as a paragraph in the notifications, but we can fix that. So save posts for later is going to be the text. And then the text here is going to say for the paragraph that bookmark posts to easily find them again in the future. And we can now save that. Of course, we should get an error, and the error is because we don't have the convex function. So you can see we have that looking nice. We can style the H3 like to look a bit bolder, but I can leave that up to you if you want. And you can see that the error that we're getting back is because we don't have that function. So let's go ahead and jump into convex. And with convex, it is here into the posts. And we are going to create the bookmark. And we have a bookmark here. That's not the correct function. We want the get bookmarked posts. So actually, let me copy this so that we call the function correctly. So I'm going to place the function right below the bookmark posts, so that like they go together. So we're going to say export const get bookmarked posts. This is going to be equal to a query, and it's going to be taking some arguments here called user ID, which is coming from v.id from the users table. And then we're going to have a handler here, which is an asynchronous function taking the context and then the arguments. And then we're going to say const bookmarks is equal to await context.db.query, and we are querying the bookmarks table, and we are using index or with index of by user. Oops, what is happening? So by user. And if you know how to disable this, please leave it in the comments because it's becoming annoying now. And then we're going to pass in a callback function here, and then we're going to say query.equals, then pass in the user ID, take it for the arguments.user ID, and then we want to order them in descending order, and then collect to get all of them. And then we're going to say const posts is equal to await promise.all, open this up. So bookmarks dot map. What do I call this? Bookmarks. Okay, it doesn't give me the correct thing. So this is asynchronous, and then for every single bookmark that we get back, then we're going to open this up and say const post is equal to await db.get, then pass in the bookmark.post ID. And then if there is no post, then return null, and then get the author of the post. So const author is equal to await context.db.get and pass in the post.author ID. And then we're going to say return, open this up, spread everything about the post and then the author as well. And then right below this, so after our promise, we're going to say return posts.filter and then pass in boolean. Like so. And that is how we can get the bookmarked posts. So you can save that. And for the bookmarks, we should be able to test it out because we should be able to bookmark our own posts. So if I click on this add bookmark, we have that toast notification, and then this add bookmark, and then on this one, well, that is already added as a bookmark, so I've removed it, so add it again. Now if we check our bookmarks, once it loads in, we should have our bookmarks. Oops, an error occurred. So we have an error. What's the issue? So uncaught reference error. This is in convex get bookmarked posts await context.db. That is correct. What is it saying here? So it's saying that this is on line 197. Oh, here. So context.db. Okay. Save that. And now once it loads, we should be able to see our bookmarked posts right here. And there we go. Those are all our bookmarks that we've just added. And if I go ahead and remove from the bookmarks, then it should also be removed from the bookmarks when this reloads again.